Hey, it's Maher. Welcome back to the Pyro Yard. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ground bloom flowers by Vulcan Fireworks. I've seen these before from different brands. They are often known as Tasmanian devils or ground bloom spinners. It's going to say here, warning, spins on ground, emit shower of sparks. Use only adult supervision. Imported by Mystical. There's the manufacture date of 2022. So it is a 6-pack of the flowers. So let's see what we got. Yeah, so it's pretty typical, like the other ground blooms I've seen. Let me move that out of the way. All right, let's put that there. Oh, I just need a lighter, don't I? Hang on, chill for a second. Where's my lighter? Okay. So that is ground bloom flower by Vulcan Fireworks. Okay, not too sure if that's definitely not supposed to happen. It's supposed to spin around. Call that one a dud. See if I stand that one up, will it spin around? Try again. There. What? Why are they not spinning?
It's gotta be weighted or something like that.
Honestly. Okay, this is the last one because...
What if you give it a toss?
There it is. Third time, there you go. Third time's the charm. That is the ground flower by Vulcan Fireworks. 2 out of 3. I don't know. Maybe just a bad pack or I don't know what to say. Other than, as always, thank you for watching.